What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Volt Army. Hope y'all are ready to get volted. The voltage never stops. In this video, like always, I got another banger for you guys. And what we'll be covering in this video is what we could potentially expect for Volt for the year of 2023. It is a brand new year. And this year and this new year and future years will continue to be voted by you guys as the Volt Army, us as the Volt Army. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, Meme Coin Daily 1,330 subscribers. Please be sure, Volt Army, to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Supporting content creators helps to spread the word of Volt to new people. I always see it all the time in my comments on social media that a few more people are getting voted because of my videos. Happy New Year, Volt Army, and as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. Now, if we take a look at the Volt chart, still in this trend, guys. I'm not sure when we'll get out of this trend, but BTC, Bitcoin, is looking a bit bullish, and ETH as well. So we could start seeing moves to the upside anytime soon in the Volt chart. Right now, we're having a correction. We have hit two support levels right here on the 1 hour chart. Let me zoom in so you guys can take a better look. Had a correction, we hit a support level, and then we had a bit of a pop to the upside, and we retraced and seem to be holding right here. Don't worry about it, guys. Like I said, this is the time of accumulation. The market will be in a crab trend until we get some future catalysts from the Volt team, or the market itself flips bullish, and then we start to see crazy gains to the upside. But this could be the year we see that. This could more than likely be the year we see a flip to bullish in the markets. Don't ever rule that out. I have some charts as well that I have to show you guys for the global overall market and what some of the TA people that I follow are predicting for what we could see in the future for the market as a whole. And that just means Volt will be included in that. When the market turns around, trust, Volt will absolutely go parabolic and go with insane gains to the upside because it is a more volatile type of chart, right? But these are the type of charts we love to see. These are the type of charts that gives you 100x to 1000x, right? So right now, Volt is sitting at $56.92 million in market cap. Great entry point. Say it goes back to the Volti change pop, when we had this Volti change pop right here. Literally it had its previous support back here, which is very interesting to see on the 9th, right? We pop back up to that Volti change pop that we did back on the 9th of November. You'd see a 170% move to the upside for that. So great entry point right here. Now let's head over to Twitter real quick. Like I said earlier, Happy New Year, Volt Army. 2023 is the year of crypto recovery. Happy New Year. 2023 is the beginning of a new chapter for Volt Inu. This is the year. Make it happen. Volt Army, Volt. Keep voting. And Pablo right here, Volt, the people's crypto has spoken. Now, what could we expect for Volt in 2023? To send it to those crazy levels in the future. First off, I expect that we have a huge ramp up in the marketing of Volt. You're gonna see the Volt Army, the Volt team, the community managers, everyone just pushing forward with the marketing. It's going to be a huge ramp up in the marketing campaign of Volt, and we'll see the word spread way more than it did, because last year Volt literally has been through, this project literally has been through the worst bear market ever, and that's not an exaggeration. There's a tweet that I saw recently where we've seen the stocks and bond market never been this low since 1871. Since the 1870s, we've never seen a market like this. The worst bear market ever. And that's what Volt has survived, right? So imagine a bull market, what's gonna happen for a project like Volt? So yeah, first expectation, I see a ramp up in the marketing of Volt for 2023, right? We also have a tweet right here from Volt Eno official. The Volt army just Volt different 105 exchanges with massive volume on tier 1 like Gate and Poloniex, sponsoring a Hollywood movie, featured on TV by NASDAQ, first deflationary DEX Volti change, billboards, athletes, buses, marketing all over the world. The Volt effect. See that? Sponsoring a Hollywood movie. We were featured on the NASDAQ, which was a previous time. Billboards, athletes, buses, marketing all over the world. I expect a ramp up in the marketing for Volt, and you know, massive volume on tier ones like Gate and Poloniex, right? Those are, you know, not the huge exchanges, the top exchanges, but you see the volume on those exchanges, and a lot of people are scooping up the Volt, as much Volt as they can, right? They are scooping up as much Volt as they can, and that is super bullish. The second expectation for Volt that I see in the future for 2023, this year, great year, man. 2023 is such a great number if you guys follow like Gematria, right? That is a great number. Utility token development. So recently we saw Voltoshi release his Voltoshi's message number 3, and there's hints of a new utility that could potentially get the interest of institutions and the bankers, the stock market money, the huge whale money, right? Those are the whales. Those are, you know, the Black Rocks. Those are the true whales in you know, when we talk about investment, right? I expect second expectation for new utilities to unveil, just like how we had Volti change last year, and we already see there, you know, the updates are being worked on. I expect more, you know, things that could draw not just the attention to the project because of, you know, the project being so bullish from its, you know, community and team, but also something that could drive its value up, some more utility that could drive the value of Volt to the upside, right? And the third expectation, the one everyone will be super hyped about, I think you just have to be calculated with this third expectation, right? You just have to be algorithmically sound with this expectation. So for the third expectation, I see, you know, the top tier 1 exchange listings for Volt, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. I don't have crypto.com here, but crypto.com, you know, these two especially, Binance and Coinbase listings, man. Imagine, just think about that. Volt army, a Binance and Coinbase listing for Volt. You can't rule that out. KuCoin as well. I don't have KuCoin here, but KuCoin as well. Like I said in my previous videos, I think KuCoin will be the first domino to fall. Then we're gonna, you know, move on to the Binances and the Coinbase. But yeah, that is my third expectation for the Volt army, for what we could see for Volt for 2023. And also, like I said, when I was talking about this expectation, you know, being strategic with this expectation, it's better to, you know, get these type of listings when the market is bullish, when the market has turned around, when, you know, do it strategically. So when we're, you know, making moves to the upside because of the broader market is going bullish, it's only automatic that we go bullish as well. And then you compound a Binance listing on top of that, Volt will go straight to $1 billion market cap, $2 billion market cap instantly, just like that, right? So you have to be strategic with that, and I know the Volt team, Voltoshi, is very strategic. So yeah, that's what we could expect for 2023 for Volt. I have a feeling that this year will be absolutely bullish for Volt, and we're gonna keep Volting no matter what market condition. But I got a good feeling about 2023, guys. Let's head over to this tweet right here from R&D. There is probably no better time to scoop more Volt than now. Are you ready? See this descending wedge that Volt is in, like I've shared in my previous video, the descending wedge that Volt is in, it is breaking past this descending wedge, then we have huge moves to the upside, right? Potential 2x, like I said, this previous wick right up here, it's potential 2x to reach there, and once we break this resistance, it's moon time. Very nice stuff. Can you put a price on something burning forever, something becoming forever more scarce? Can you really put a price on something that continues to get more and more scarce? Supply and demand, guys. You run a store, every time you stock the shelves with a specific type of t-shirts, they sell out instantly. So what do you have to do? Raise the price of those t-shirts so they don't sell out as fast. Same thing could be applied here. The less Volt that is in circulation, the less Volt that there is, the more likely we have huge rises to the upside, especially when we have people scrambling to get their hands on some Volt, right? Here the vaulting the bull run. Nice little image right here from the official Volt Twitter. Really love to see it. The bears will be wrecked. The bears have wrecked us for 2022. It's time to return the favor, guys. Time for the bulls, people like myself and the Volt army, to step in. Wreck the bears, let's go. And we have a tweet from Crypto Tony looking at the broader market and what we could expect in the future. Oh my, this one got me. When moon, Bitcoin, a bull run begins, expanding triangle. And look at this, guys. Look at the trends. You know, I love looking at charts so much. I'm not that great at TA, you know, but I do have an eye and instinct for things, right? So when you look at this, it's literally similar to this pattern that we have here. A, B, C, D, move, E move right here. We're on this trend line, and then Bitcoin has a huge pop up to the upside to 150k. Bitcoin going to 150k. Imagine what Volt will do, guys. Imagine what Volt will do with a Bitcoin 150k. Ethereum probably be at like 15k. It's gonna be crazy. Also have a tweet right here from Stop Money Lizards. Bitcoin, it is no coincidence that historically the end of the old year has marked the beginning of uptrends after bear markets. Tax loss selling, whales clearing their portfolios, etc. contribute to this phenomenon. As you guys can see, history doesn't necessarily always repeat itself, but it does rhyme. We have a huge move in the previous bear market, then a downtrend. Have a huge move in 2014, then a bear market right here. Huge move from 2015 to 2017. Same thing, and the pattern repeats itself from the 1st of January 2019. Huge move. 2022 bear market, and the worst one, by the way. So that means the next bull market from the 1st of January 2023 will more than likely be the biggest. Remember my video Volt Inu blow off top, guys? Go back and watch all my previous Volt videos. We also have a tweet from Caesar Parabolit. Guess what happens next? And this is the S&P 500 matching the DXY. As you guys can see right here, every time the S&P 500 moves up, the DXY tumbles. S&P 500 moves up right here, DXY tumbles. Look at this huge move from the DXY, right? Look at what it did back here, and then when it tumbled, look at what the S&P 500 did. Look at how the DXY is right up here. When it tumbles, guess what's gonna happen to the S&P 500? The stock market in general, huge move to the upside. Guess what's gonna happen to crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum? Huge move to the upside. Guess what's gonna happen to Volt? Y'all seen the pattern, y'all seen the trend. Guess what's gonna happen to Volt? Huge move to the upside. And from Optimum Hustle, I think 100x is going to be a walk in the park for this Inu. See what I did there? Volt compared to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, Volt has been on an upward trend of 40-ish degrees if you factor in the V1 contract. I shared that image that, you know, a lot of people were sharing on Twitter before, where if you put the V1 and V2 contract together, you see Volt has not fallen from its uptrend. It's been up and to the right, literally up and to the right, constant basis, right? That's what it's been doing. And as you guys can see from here, market cap and burn data, 24-hour token burn. Look at this, more tier 1 listings imminent. This is Volt's token burn. Look at Shiba Inus and Doge. Doge doesn't even, you know, burn its tokens. Look at Shiba Inu right here. Volt has consistent trade volume, so it's consistent burning. It's consistent hyperdeflationary mechanics plus the added deflation through Volti change, right? Man, this project is a beast. This project is a monster, and Optimum Hustle took notice. 95x away from Sheeb. Oh my gosh, 4-degree upward trend since April 21. That is crazy. And then Shiba is 2x away from Doge. So if the Volt is 95x away from Sheeb, say Volt gets to Doge levels, guys, oh my gosh. Market cap of, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's see, baby. Let's see what we got. A 193x. It's absolutely insane. $1,000 to $193,000. What? You know, these are the type of things that you can't even rule out for Volt, because this is Doge's bear market bottom. We're at Doge's bear market bottom, and you know, that's the we're not talking about Doge's all-time high. We're comparing it to Doge's bear market bottom. You think Volt can't get to these levels, man? Can't rule out anything in crypto, guys. I always expect the unexpected. The future of Volt always looks bright. So much potential here, and we'll see what 2023 holds for Volt Army. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me get your thoughts. Like I asked earlier, what do you guys expect for Volt for 2023? You know, Happy New Year once again. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think of the project? Everything Volt and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.